Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate onto 100% cotton canvas without using laminate. If you know anything about sublimation or not, basically it's a transparent ink that when heated up will turn into a gas and will attach itself to whatever substrate or blank you have. Um, if you don't prep your 100% cotton canvas, your print will turn out like this. And so I've found a way to prep the canvas without using laminate. And this is the same photo. So you can see them side by side. This one is a whole lot more washed out. This one is much better. And let's get started. I'll see you at the end. Actually, at this time, if you want to make it into a reverse canvas, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking the canvas off of the wood. So I'm taking an X-Acto knife and I'm just cutting next to the staple. I found that this is a lot like more conservative, I guess, than um, cutting around everything. I mean, like cutting around on the outside of the staples. And I'm going to prep it using something hopefully you guys have in your house because you're crafters, but this is Mod Podge acrylic sealer. This is a gloss one, but it's just like straight up acrylic sealer. Okay, so I've fully separated the canvas from the frame. Here's the frame. It looks pretty neat in the back. Sorry, I know you can't see the whole thing. But now I'm going to spray on here so that you guys can see how much coverage to really give it. I'm going to do several light sprays that way. I'm going to go backwards. Okay, and then we're going to do several sprays this way. You can see kind of with the shine. Maybe you can't see with the shine. Basically, it's shiny. Okay, so I'm going to leave this outside. I live in sunny California, so this is going to dry up real quick. And in the meantime, I'm going to spray paint my frame as well. The next thing you're going to want to do is get your photo ready to print from your sublimation printer, or prepare your drawing or whatever you're doing with your markers. I can show you guys in a different video how to use sublimation markers with your Cricut Maker if you'd like. So you're just basically going to go here. You're going to go to print, and I'm going to be printing a whole basically sheet, 8.5 by 11. And I'm using plain paper. I'm actually using laser printer paper. So I haven't seen much of a difference with photos and using sublimation paper or not. So this is basically less expensive. For reference, this is dry now, but for reference, this is the photo that printed. All right, so I have my, I just have some paper like laid out right here underneath the canvas, just in case the ink goes through. And I'm gonna preheat my canvas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Okay. And now I'm gonna stick my photo on. Basically, I'm eyeballing it. And I'm just using like regular copy paper on top. And I'm also going to put a Teflon sheet on top. Some people say don't use Teflon because it locks in moisture or something like that. So now I'm going to use my heat press. And I have it set to 400. And I'm just going to set it straight down. Apply firm pressure and pressing start. Firm pressure means I'm actually like leaning on it. Straight up. And look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so now is the fun part. We get to frame the art. Basically, I'm going to use glue today, but you can use like a staple gun or whatever you want to do is fine. And that's it. It really is pretty easy to make a reverse canvas, and it's pretty easy to sublimate once you get the hang of it. I would say that the laminate sheets probably will give you a more vibrant image than the acrylic spray, but the acrylic spray does work quite well. And let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any ideas for another video you might like to see, please also leave that in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.